Hello students, welcome to BSR Chemistry channel. In the channel, we are trying to learn more about chemistry guys. So, if you are new to this channel, first of all, subscribe this channel and follow me. You will learn or you will earn certain amount of chemistry guys. I don't want to waste your time. Now, we have to go to our topic. Today, our topic is alkyl group. What is that guys? Alkyl group. If you learn this topic, this will boost your basics of organic chemistry guys. It is formed when if we remove one hydrogen from alkane. So alkyl group is formed when we remove one hydrogen from alkane. Simple guys this. So if we remove one hydrogen from alkane, we will get alkyl group. Now I want to go further. We know that the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 na CnH2n plus 2. If we remove one hydrogen from this, we will get CnH2n plus 1 after removing one hydrogen. Now this is called alkyl. Now this is called alkane. This side this is called alkane. Now this is called alkyl group guys. If you take one carbon alkane, in the place of N we should take 1. So here 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Means we will get CH4. CH4 is called methane. One carbon alkane is called methane. If we remove one hydrogen from that, we will get CH3. That is simply called methyl. Now have to take 2 carbon alkane. If you take carbons 2, hydrogens must be 2n, means double that. 4 hydrogens plus 2 means 6. Total C2H6. We can write that one as CH3 single bond CH3. So it is an alkane. So alkane bear with only single bond. That's why I separated these 2 carbons with only single bond guys. This is called ethane. 2 carbon alkane is called what? Ethane. If you remove one hydrogen from this, we will get CH3 bond CH2. CH3 bond CH2. This is simply called ethyl. What do we have to call guys? Ethyl. Or we can represent this one. 2 carbons are there na C2. 5 hydrogens are there na H5. C2H5. C2H5 is also called ethyl. Now, how to take 3 carbons? Now, I want to take 3 carbon alkane. If you take carbons 3, hydrogen must be H2n plus 2 na, means we will get 8 hydrogen. So, it is an alkane. So, 3 carbons are separated with a single bond. There are 8 hydrogens. For balancing 4 bonds to each carbon, we can write this one as CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3 guys. Now, this is a 3 carbon alkane, so it is called propane. Propane. If you remove one hydrogen from this, we will get C3H7. This is simply called propyl. This is simply called propyl guys. In case of methane, CH4, ethane, there are only one kind of carbons. They are primary carbons. Primary carbon means if a carbon linked with only one carbon, that is called primary carbon. If a carbon linked with no carbon, that is also called primary carbon. That means methane and ethane both are primary carbons. If you observe propane, here if you observe propane, there are 2 kinds of carbons. One is a primary carbon. Here another one is also primary carbon. But that middle carbon is a secondary carbon guys. If you remove hydrogen from primary carbon, either side of primary carbon, if you remove from here, then you will get CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2. If you remove from this side, then you will get CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So both are same. Now that alkyl group is called primary propyl. Primary propyl, because we removed hydrogen from primary carbon. That's why that one is called primary propyl guys. It is in straight manner na. That's why it is also called N-propyl. N-propyl means normal propyl as a straight chain. Now, if you remove hydrogen from the secondary carbon, you will get another different propyl group like this. CH3 bond CH bond CH3 you will get, guys. Now, this one is called secondary propyl. Secondary propyl, because this group is obtained after removing of hydrogen from the secondary carbon. That's why it is called secondary propyl group, guys. Also it is called, we can represent that one in different manner. CH3 bond CH bond CH3, like this also we can represent. At the chain terminal, if there is a L shape, then that one is also called iso. At the chain terminal, if L shape is there, that is called iso. Now this is also called isopropyl. Also called what? Isopropyl, guys. Are you understand? If you take 4 carbon alkane, that is C4H10. How we will get H10? From the general formula CnH2n plus 2. There we will get 2n plus 2 na. That's why we will get 10 hydrogens for butane. So we can write butane in 2 manners, guys. So the first manner, we can arrange 4 carbons in straight manner. In case of second one, we can write 3 carbons in straight manner, 1 carbon as a branch. So in case of straight, here we will get CH3, here last carbon also we will get CH3, middle 2 carbon CH2, CH2 for balancing 4 bonds for carbon atom. Now in case of this structure, CH3, CH3, CH, CH3 we will get. So this one is a straight chain, simply we called N-butane. Now in case of this one, there is a L shape at chain ending na. So why this is called isobutane. Isobutane. So there are 2 possible arrangements for butane, guys. So one is N-butane, another one is isobutane. So in case of N-butane, if you observe, there are 2 types of carbons. One is primary carbon, another one is secondary carbon, because this carbon is linked with only 1 carbon atom, this one is linked with 2 carbon atoms. So this one is called primary, this one is called secondary. If you remove 1 hydrogen from primary carbon atom, then we will get CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3 we will get. Then it is called primary butyl. Primary butyl, or it is a straight chain, simply we have to call N-butyl. N-butyl. Or if you remove hydrogen from the secondary carbon atom, then you will get CH3 bond CH. If you remove hydrogen from this, then CH2 CH3 you will get. So this is simply called secondary butyl. Secondary butyl, because we removed 1 hydrogen secondary carbon of butane, that's why we will get what? Secondary butyl. Now there is another structure for butane, that is nothing but isobutane. If you remove hydrogen from chain ending position, then you will get CH3 bond CH bond CH3 bond CH2 you will get. So there if you closely observe, there is a L shape at chain ending na. So now it is simply isobutyl. Isobutyl, guys. If you remove hydrogen from that middle carbon, this is a tertiary carbon na. So then we will get CH3 C, CH3, then CH3 we will get, guys, if you remove hydrogen from that middle carbon. Now this is called tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl, because that middle carbon is a tertiary carbon na. That's why it is simply called tertiary butyl group, guys. So means butane can generate with straight chain alkane. We will get 2. One is primary butyl, another one is secondary butyl. with branched butane, we will get again 2. If you remove from end of the chain carbon, then you will get isobutyl group. Isobutyl group. If you remove hydrogen from that middle carbon, you will get tertiary butyl group, guys. I hope you understand how to get methyl, ethyl, then propyl C3H7. There are two categories, primary propyl and N-propyl, or secondary propyl or isopropyl. In case of butane, C4H9, in case of butane, you will get 4 types of alkyl groups. N-butyl group, straight chain. Then secondary butyl group, if you remove hydrogen from secondary carbon. Isobutyl, chain terminal position, if L shape is there, isobutyl. If you remove hydrogen from tertiary carbon, you will get tertiary butyl group, guys. Alkyl group in chemistry simply represented as R. Alkyl group represented as R. R means maybe methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, like that, whatever. So it is one hydrogen shorter than alkane simply. So like that we can generate a number of alkyl groups if you take more number of carbon atoms, guys. I hope you understand what is an alkyl group in organic chemistry. If you get something from my video, just like this video and subscribe for more videos, guys. See you tomorrow with a new video, guys.